Here's today's Remy Quick Tech Tip TA-059. Let's look at the 2003 to 2004 Ford Excursion and the F-Series Super Duty, both with 6.0 liter diesel engines. You may have noticed that these vehicles may experience belt noise. If you have, the cause is that the front end accessory drive belt may exhibit noise when starting the engine cold. The noise will be described as either a squeal or a squawk. For the solution, you will need to replace the front end accessory drive belt with an updated Ford belt. You can look at Technical Service Bulletin number 04-14-12 to provide you with additional information. That's the Remy Quick Tech Tip, and it's another reason why your next starter alternator should be a Remy.